Did the Fed just create a dumpster fire? Financially speaking, everything is down except the dollar. Let's talk about it when we return. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. So let's talk about what's going on in the market. I've got an article here from Kitco News, and this was written by Todd Bubba Horowitz. The title of the article is Fed Creates Dumpster Fire, Gold and Silver Hammered. All right, let's get to it. So the Fed strikes again, and all markets melted down except the US dollar. There were rumors that the Fed would shift their opinions on monetary policy and could start to taper. The big question: is this a test balloon to see the market's reaction? And will the Fed give in to Wall Street? While the dollar exploded higher, making 2 month highs, both gold, silver, and platinum got hammered. The rout has continued this morning, but it's not as dramatic as it appears. While gold shows down over $50, it is actually only down about $6. This is a matter of floor closing versus electronic trading. The official close for the gold market is 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. All the selling took place after that yesterday, which counted on today's prices. The bottom line here, folks, it was an ugly day for gold, silver, and platinum. However, the selling did not trigger a sell signal in our algorithms, and we remain long on gold as well as silver. We would be short platinum, but we do not trade it any longer due to a lack of liquidity. Physical positions should not be affected by this action. We do not trade physical, we only accumulate it. Smart decision. Gold and silver are on the cusp of reversing to the short side. A lower close today will trigger a short. Obviously, this action is ugly and painful. However, we will patiently wait for the signal change. Our signals are all mechanical with no room for opinions or emotions. There are times you just must endure the pain, not letting emotion, news, or opinions overwhelm your calm and rational thinking. Okay, so the point of the matter here is this is a knee jerk reaction. This is a temporary blip on the radar. We will not be tracking this dip for very long. As a matter of fact, I consider this opportunity today to be a prime opportunity for those of you maybe considering making a purchase. I, for one, will be looking at placing a pre order today for the Type 2 2021 Silver Eagles because they're $1.50 cheaper today than they were yesterday. And you know how silver works. We'll be up $1.50 within a matter of days, just the way that it goes. As far as gold is concerned, too, I am seeing half ounce gold coins under $1,000 again. I'm also seeing those American gold eagles and buffaloes hovering just a little north of $1,900, so they have retreated down below 2,000. So if we're going to look at anything here from a physical standpoint, this is the dip. And buying the dip tends to work, especially when you look at the long range outlook for both gold and silver, which is in the northern direction, aka the shit's going up. All right, it's going up. The monetary policy is not changed. The interest rates are going to stay the same. The Fed has really put itself into a corner, and this knee jerk reaction is always to liquidate assets and run to the dollar for some reason which I will never get, but nonetheless, it creates a buying opportunity for stackers. So, if I were to offer any advice, and please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a stacker that watches the market very closely, and I like to report on it. My gut instinct here is this will be very short lived. We will see a recovery, and therefore, I am going to look at this opportunity as a buying opportunity. If we get stuck, well, I have gold and silver in my hands, the physical kind. It's going to stay in the stack for a long time, so I'm not too worried about it. Not going to be making a huge purchase today, but definitely an opportunity to add more gold or silver to the stack. We'll be doing some shopping as soon as this video is over. So let me know what you think. Looking at the overall market, I see that the Dow, S&P 500, as well as oil also down. Bitcoin is down about 1.5%, and Ethereum is down 3% over the last 24 hours. As a matter of fact, the only green I see on the radar is with the NASDAQ, and it's barely green. We'll see what happens here over the next 30 minutes as the market has been open now for about 40 minutes. All right, that's going to conclude today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully, you're going to have that opportunity to get out there and maybe purchase a little gold and silver today. Once more, I do expect this to be short-lived. The author of this article does the same. They're not selling physical, they're only accumulating, and that's what I'm doing too. Thanks again, everybody, and we'll talk to you soon in another precious metals focused video.